Hello student, welcome in my YouTube channel Science Classes. Today we study the class 11th chapter, some basic concept of chemistry. Topic average atomic mass, molecular and empirical formula. First, we study the calculation of average atomic mass. Average atomic mass is calculated by the atomic mass of the first isotopes into percentage composition plus atomic mass of second isotope plus percentage composition एंड सो ऑन. जैसे अगर कोई भी एलिमेंट्स है नेचर में, किसी भी एलिमेंट्स के 2 और 3 आइसोटोप्स होते हैं, तो सारे जितने भी आइसोटोप्स होंगे सबके एटॉमिक मास और उनके परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन को मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड कर देंगे, देन 100 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो हमें एवरेज एटॉमिक मास मिल जाता है. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे 2 तक है कि एवरेज एटॉमिक मास इक्वल टू एटॉमिक मास ऑफ फर्स्ट आइसोटोप्स into percentage composition plus atomic mass of second isotope into percentage composition. If the element have the third isotope, then the plus atomic mass of third isotopes plus percentage composition upon 100. One example, chlorine found in nature as a mixture containing 2 isotopes. First, 17Cl35 is 75.53% and 17Cl37 is 24.47%. Calculate the average atomic mass of the chlorine. Chlorine in the nature exists in the form of 2 isotopes. First isotopes, chlorine, having atomic mass 35, occurs as 75.53% in the nature, and second isotope of the chlorine have the atomic mass 37, occurs in nature as 24.47%. Then we calculate the average atomic mass of the chlorine. Formula: average atomic mass equal to atomic mass of first isotopes into percentage composition plus atomic mass of second isotopes into percentage composition upon 100. Atomic mass of first isotope 35, percentage composition 75.53. 35 multiplied by 75.53 plus atomic mass of second isotope is 37 multiplied by the percentage composition 24.47 upon 100. Then on solving we get the 3550.94 upon 100 or 35.5094 or 35.51 unit. That is the average atomic mass of the chlorine is 35.51 unit. Next topic, molecular and empirical formula. What is the molecular formula? Molecular formula of the compound which represent the actual number of atoms of each elements in a molecule of any substance. मतलब मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला वह फार्मूला है जो किसी भी कंपाउंड्स के फार्मूले में जो भी एटम्स होते हैं, जिस भी एलिमेंट्स के एटम्स होते हैं, उसके एक्चुअल नंबर को अगर इंडिकेट करे तो इसको हम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला बोलते हैं. मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला किसी भी कंपाउंड में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उनके एटम्स के एक्चुअल नंबर को, जैसे कोई कंपाउंड है उसके एलिमेंट्स में उसके किसी कंपाउंड, कोई कंपाउंड उसमें 2 एलिमेंट हैं, अब एक एलिमेंट का 2 एटम और एक एलिमेंट का 1 एटम है, तो यह एक्चुअल नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला. मतलब फार्मूला विच रिप्रेजेंट एक्चुअल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट्स इन अ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला. नेक्स्ट, एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला. Formula which represent simplest whole number ratio of the atom of each elements in a molecule of any substance is called empirical formula. मतलब कि वह empirical formula represent the simplest whole number of the atoms of each elements. मतलब किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल में जो भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे उनके एटम्स के सिंपलेस्ट रेशियो को रिप्रेजेंट जो फार्मूला करेगा उस फार्मूला को हम एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला बोलेंगे. वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला एंड एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला बाय दिस एग्जांपल. कंपाउंड बेंजीन, मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला ऑफ बेंजीन C6H6. मतलब मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला ऑफ बेंजीन इंडिकेट द बेंजीन मॉलिक्यूल contain 6 atom of carbon and 6 atom of hydrogen. Empirical formula of benzene is CH. That means the simplest ratio of the all atoms present in the benzene, that is the 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen, is C1H1. That is the simplest ratio. CH represent the empirical formula of benzene and give the in the benzene hydrogen and carbon present 1:1 ratio. And molecular formula of benzene C6H6 represent the benzene contain 6 carbon atom and 6 hydrogen atom. Next example, glucose. Molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. That represent the glucose molecule contain 6 carbon atom, 12 hydrogen atom and 6 oxygen atom. Empirical formula of glucose molecule is C1H2O1 or CH2O. Empirical formula of glucose represent the in glucose ratio of the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is 1:2:1. That is the simple ratio of the all carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in the glucose molecule. Next point, relation between empirical and molecular formula. Molecular formula equal to empirical formula multiplied by the n, where n calculated by dividing molecular mass divided by the empirical formula mass. N calculated by molecular formula divided by the empirical formula mass. Molecular mass of the compound also calculated by the 2 multiplied by vapor density. Vapor density of vapor density of any substance is given in the question, then vapor density multiplied by 2 give the molecular mass. Next point, calculation of empirical formula. Empirical formula calculated by the following table. This table contains the serial number, name of the element, atomic mass, percentage composition upon atomic mass and simplest ratio. We have the one question for understanding this table. An organic compound on analysis gave the following percentage composition: carbon 57.8%, hydrogen 3.6% and rest is oxygen. The vapor density of the compound was found to be 83. Find out the molecular formula of compound. First we calculate the percentage of oxygen in compound. Percentage of oxygen obtained by 100 minus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of 100 minus 57.8 plus 3.6, this gives the 100 minus 61.4 equal to 38.6. That is percentage composition of oxygen in the question is 38.6. Then we again make the table: serial number, name of the element, atomic mass, percentage composition upon atomic mass and simplest ratio. In this question 3 elements are present, serial number 1, 2, 3. First element carbon, second element hydrogen and third element oxygen. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 16 and atomic mass of the carbon 12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Percentage composition of carbon 57.8, percentage composition of hydrogen 3.6, percentage composition of oxygen 38.6. Next, percentage composition upon atomic mass, मतलब percentage composition of each elements divided by their atomic mass. That's then 57.8 upon 12. Percentage composition of carbon upon atomic mass of carbon, this gives the 4.81. Next, 3.6 divided by 1. 3.6 is the percentage composition of hydrogen and 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. 30, this gives the 3.6. 38.6 divided by the 16, 38.6 percentage composition of the oxygen and 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. This gives the 2.41. Then we calculate the simplest ratio. To calculate the simplest ratio, all value divided by the smallest value. जैसे on solving the percentage composition of percentage composition of elements and upon atomic mass, we have the 4.81, 3.6 and 2.41. In all these value, 2.41 is the smallest value, so all value divided by the 2.41. So 4.81 divided by 2.41, 3.6 divided by the 2.41, 2.41 divided by the 2.541. Then we have the 2, 1.51. If यहाँ पे one important things, if the value 2 1.2 है, 1.5 है, 1 है. अब इस वैल्यू को हमें राउंड ऑफ करने की जरूरत है क्योंकि 1.5 है, इसको डायरेक्ट 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो 3 हो जाएगा. तो इसकी वजह से हम सारे नंबर्स में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 से. 2 2 जा 4, 1.5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द 3, 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द 2 गिव द 2. अगर यह 1.3 होता तो इसको हम डायरेक्टली कंसीडर कर लेते 1.3. अगर ये 1.7, 1.6 या 7 होता तो इसको हम 2 मान लेते, लेकिन अब 1.5 है इसलिए हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसे राउंड ऑफ करने की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. अब हमारे पास एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला है C4H3O2 बिकॉज द दिस कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला गिव द 4 कार्बन एटम, 3 hydrogen atom and 2 oxygen atom. So the empirical formula C4H3O2. Molecular mass of the compound calculated by the 2 into vapor density. Vapor density of the compound given in the question is 83. 2 multiplied by the 83 give the 166. Empirical formula mass calculated by the empirical formula 4 into 12 plus 3 into 1 plus 16 into 2. This give the 48 plus 3 plus 32 equal to 83. Then we calculate the N. N calculated by the molecular mass divided by the empirical formula mass. 160 molecular mass is 166 and empirical formula mass is 83. This give the value 2. Molecular formula equal to empirical formula into N equal to C4H3O2. We have the molecular formula 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Then the molecular formula of the compound is C4H6O4. Thank you.